Bought this with Lidl Plus and activating it. Try to activate it right now. Okay?
And this.
This one? And this one. Oh, now we have. Hello.
Hallo. 2,58.
Okay. This Middle Plus we get 40 cents
Discount.
discount, and we get a discount for the bottles.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, that's nice. Lidl Plus Germany is so much better than in other countries.
Yeah, I know it.
It's very good.
Where we get it? In Lidl in
Yeah, we
Germany.
installed it right in the Lidl, right in the store. And it's worked absolutely fine.
It's awesome.
Yes. It
Yeah,
has so
in-
much more stuff than other Lidl Plus programs.
They try to give me some lost cents. What is it? Maybe.
Los Gates.
Lost gates. It's much better than in our country, and they have a lot of parts here where they try to give us partneren Vorteil. It's discounts of their partners. Look at it.
Shell.
Shall we can get a discount for the
3 cents off a liter of.
it's okay, and you can
You can
wash
save 20 cents.
you can wash your car at with discount 35%. It's okay.
Yeah.
Same. You can make a haircut
For €5 less in Hair
less,
Express.
yeah. You can wash your dog maybe. And I
Maybe
don't-
you go to a wet or something.
Okay, something like this. Also, you can get some newspapers, some photos maybe, gratis, and so on. A lot of partner programs with discounts. They have a very good online shop in Lidl.
Yeah. That's
Very-
kind of something we don't have in Cyprus.
Yeah, but they have their online shop is with delivery. And this delivery
Oh,
is
wow.
a cheap one or even free.
That's nice, I guess.
It's cool. People of Germany are lucky.
Actually, now. We're talking facts now.
Yeah, oh, look, it's like usual online shop.
Yeah, with nothing.
No, it's
It's
try-
only just loading.
we try to connect to Germany to get
Okay.
some stuff.
So you can get sofa for garden, for a balcony.
It's anything we need.
Yeah, everything you want, you can find it here.
Yeah, for husband, for Tigerenbach, for animals, for sport and outdoor.
Yeah.
And look, they also have.
Anyway, they sell.
Oh, I know,
4K.
I know this guy. He's at
Anyway,
at
that's
Terminator.
Schwarzenegger.
Terminator.
Anyway,
Yeah, it's Parkside is very good company. I like it.
it's not a company, kinda.
Yeah, it's a label.
Yes, exactly.
Cool. Let's go and online shop wine. They can sell some wine
Maybe.
for adults. Not maybe. It's girl wine. Look at it. And a lot of wine. And also we have a beer here. Or a tank of beer. Cool.
Small tank.
Small tank of beer.
Light time.
Also, they have some travels here.
Look, there's literally tours at 3-star hotel,
Yeah,
4-star hotel in Pisa.
with discount.
With discount, 4-star hotels for only €220. A tour with 4-star hotel.
In Tyrol. Tyrol is in the mountain.
Yeah, in Austria.
In Austria. Wow.
Yeah, because Österreich means Austria. Oh
Austria.
my god.
Oh, it's Rome.
In Rome, 4-star hotel.
155 euro. It's from Lidl. It is discount.
Wow.
Good prices.
Oh my god, that's so
Yeah.
cool.
Also, you can charge your electric car in
For
Germany.
example, if you have a Tesla, which a lot of people kinda do, there's
Yeah.
a lot of Teslas in Germany.
Also, they have a site of recipes with
Recipes
Recipes.
from Lidl.
recipes.
And they
from
also
Lidl.
tell you the estimated cost.
Yeah.
That's why this Lidl Plus is perfect.
And also, they have Lidl Connect to have mobile connection.
Yeah.
5G.
You can get 5G from Lidl and Vodafone.
It's for Vodafone, but Lidl try to sell it maybe.
Yeah. Lidl Connect.
Lidl Connect. Wow, cool.
And you also can get a smartphone with already
With
SIM card
discount.
inside and with a discount.
with discount.
You can get iPhone 14 Plus.
Cool.
I don't know why we sell it. 15 is out.
Okay, and also the coupons the same like usual our Lidl.
Yeah,
here.
but something all Lidl Plus have, I think.
Yeah, but it works really good. You can get
I mean, as always.
you can get your discount.
Yeah. I mean, those lights do look cool. Those LEDs.
All
damn.
coupons. Let's see all coupons here. Now at this week you can
Pepper they make paprika from.
so they have Dunkelknoze Trauben. I don't know
Also
what's
known as grapes.
oranges,
Oranges. Bread.
bread, meat,
Also.
some ketchup, and a lot of 37% discount for this
50
blank. Oh, not blank.
That's 57%
Yeah,
for CN.
CN.
Something our operator would need.
Oh, pack side
For only 30
Vacuum.
euros.
for only 30 euros. And
Oh my god, that's so cheap.
Manustan, it's very cheap. This one is good. We tried it
Yes.
last
I
year.
think they cost normal like 50 or something.
Like 70.
70.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
These prices are good.
Lucky German people.
Land coupons. You can activate it and use a Lidl Plus card like this in your nearest German Lidl.
Yeah.
Yeah,
For all our German viewers.
yeah.
Or for people who like to visit Germany.
Also, they have a lot of products to sell also in some shops
Yeah.
here. And some
Oh look, a new word. Gurken.
Hucken is
Cucumber.
cucumbers.
Nice.
Folene products with discounts maybe.
Yeah, probably yeah.
Probably, yeah. The discount they have this week.
Yeah. Very cheap.
55 cents for some. Brezel mit Käse.
Oh, it's with cheese. Case
Yeah.
means cheese.
Käse means cheese.
Cheese.
The prices are awesome. I like them
Yes.
in Germany. Next one, what we have, it's partner programs here, and here is
The
Lidl
tours.
Travels, recipes, and it's all. It's all in their Lidl Plus.
Compared to other countries' Little Plus, this Little Plus is absolutely violating them.
It's awesome Lidl Plus, and I liked it, and I will use it when I will be in Germany. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Will you use it?
We're not in Germany currently.
Okay, we will.